guys, this is your friend Jonathan Saavedra, and in this opportunity I'm gonna show you how to get a free hosting service, hosting for free with this website called Hostinger. It's a great service. I have been using it for a while, and it gives you free hosting. If you need a lot of traffic, if you need more speed and like something very professional, they offer you a very special rate. I think it's the cheapest hosting service in the market, and it's very good. It's excellent, and it has support in many languages, such as English, Spanish, well, all it has coverage all over the world. So it gives you some features as a free membership. I'll leave the link in the description. The other thing is that this has a referral program, so if you want to join, just click on the link I'm going to leave in the description and be one of my referrals. Okay, so just click on your continent or your language, and that's it. Then you have to register. You can join with Facebook or with Google, with your Google account if you want. It has BPS, it has well, great things. Okay, I want to make this short. I'm already registered, and this is how it looks on the inside. This is the cPanel. Now we're gonna go to hosting. We're gonna add a new account. Okay, now we go to new hosting account, and there we go. We have 3 memberships: a free, premium, and business. Today we're gonna use the free membership. Those are the specifications. Now we're gonna enter a domain and a password. We're gonna choose a domain type. In this case, we're gonna choose a domain because we have our own domains. If you don't have a domain, you can set up your free subdomain that this company provides you with these extensions. But for this tutorial, I'm gonna put my own link, which was the last tutorial, my own domain name .tk that I got from Freenom. You can find that tutorial on my channel. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like and share if you think this can be helpful for someone else. So okay, just put in your domain name here, the one that you created with Freenom, or any other domain. If you want to put .com or .net or whatever, you can put it here. Now let's go with the password. You can generate it automatically. It gives you like a tool here for generator. In my case, I'm gonna put my own password. If you generate your password, make sure you put it somewhere and you keep it with your life. Don't lose it, because that will be a pain in the ass, a headache. Okay, let's put it here, then go continue, and there we go, free. And the description is important. There you get up saying 5 words or a little more about why, for what is this website, or why are you getting this service. So in my case, I'm just gonna put like 5 words. Okay, let me see. The first thing that comes to mind. Okay, why I'm getting this service? Because I don't have money to pay and want to have my blog, and what else? Thanks for your service. Well, that's it. You can put something very similar to this. You can change some words, well, whatever you want, it's okay. So let's go. Let's do this security thing. I'm not a robot. Okay, just a verification. Okay, select all images with a storefront. Okay, that's pretty easy. Storefront. Okay, this one, and that one. Verify. Okay, then go to order. And voila, there you have your own domain. Your account has been created successfully. It's free. You can upgrade if you want. You can upgrade anytime you want. It's active already, but it's a free membership. So now what we're gonna do is that we're gonna set up the domain. The name servers. We're gonna set up the name servers. Oh, you can have more than one. Okay, you can have new hosting accounts. I think you can, as a free membership, you can have up to 5 websites. I'm not sure. Well, okay. Now let's go to. Okay, it gives you a website builder if in case you want to create your own website. You can have your email account. Okay, let's go to Freenom, and we're gonna put our name servers that HostingGear provides, so they can be associated. Now let's go. This is the domain name I created in the last tutorial. You can find it in my channel under the title "How to Get a free domain for your website." And then we're gonna go. Here to, let me see, we're gonna go here to manage. Then it says your domain is not pointing to our name servers at the moment. Okay, and it might take 24 hours to propagate. Well, it's very similar to that services that most companies provide. Okay, so those are name servers. They are covered for security reasons. Name servers details. There you can find the information you need to paste on your domain name, on your domain, so they can be directed to your hosting. So let's go to manage domain, then go to management tools. Name servers. Okay, these are the default name servers, so we're gonna change it. We're gonna use our own domain names, the own name servers, and put them there. We got 4, so we're gonna put just 4. You have to clear that up in order to paste the other ones. Now come here and do it one by one. The first one, the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. So I'm gonna make this short. Okay, it's already done. Once you have gone through all that process, change name servers, and the changes have been saved successfully, now everything is ready. This is our domain. And let's see what's going on our domain. It might take a while. Okay, if you check on your domain, it might take a while. But now what we need to do is to check what's going on. So let's see. Okay, now this page means that our domain is directing to the right hosting. So all we need to do here is install WordPress or any application you need. In this case, I'm gonna install WordPress because That's what I want. I want a website, a blog for a client, and I need to install WordPress on it. If you want, you can build your own website. That's not my case. I just go to Auto Installer. You can set up your email account if you want also. It's pretty easy. You just put like info at and your domain name, whatever you want. You can forward it to your own domain. It has 25 megabytes of mailbox capacity. Oh, it's very interesting. But well, right now I need to install my what you call it, my WordPress. So here you have your IP address, username, disk usage, bandwidth, email accounts. You can have subdomains. Okay, so well, you can explore everything like this. It's very similar to what you find in some other services. Okay, now let's go to Auto Installer. Which is in website. There you go. Okay. Here you have all the applications you can install. Okay, according to your needs. You can install Moodle, you can install Joomla, you can install any of these applications. In my case, I'm going to install a WordPress site. Look, oh, we can install even an online store. Very interesting. I like it very much. I like it very much. Okay, let's go to WordPress, and there you go. Make sure you install it on your domain. So when it says WordPress, you should just clear that up. I clear that and then put the language you want. In my case, English. Your case could be Spanish or Portuguese, whatever. Then the name I'm gonna put, okay, I'll change it. I'll just put it John, and then put a password that I can remember. Make sure all your passwords and all your usernames be saved. You can have to put in a blog of a notepad or something like that, and so in case you lose them, you can recover them. Okay, website title. This is a site in Spanish, so I'll put it in Spanish, and that's it. Make sure you delete that WordPress that appears there. We need to install it in the very domain. Okay, just click on install, and then installation has been successful. After this process, we're gonna check if our site is running with WordPress. Let's see. How do you know that? Well, go to your domain, and it has to show something like this. Welcome to WordPress. This is your first post, and that's it. Now we're gonna log in. My username, my password. Okay, log in, and that's it. This is your WordPress site from the inside. Now you can start posting, you can start installing plugins and doing anything you need to do here. As it's the closest to a professional website. This is the closest to a professional website without knowing any programmation, without knowing without being an engineer, without being an expert. So you can have your own website, your own domain for free, completely. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Like and share. It's free. Bye bye.